If you will be educated, revolution will kiss your feet. If you will be educated, because when you will be educated, you will be aware about each and everything which is happening with you and which is happening with society, and which have been happened uh, before you, which will be happened in the future. You will be aware about. You will be aware about responsibilities of women as MPs, member of National Assembly, member of Provincial Assembly. You will be aware about the responsibility of Prime Minister of Pakistan. You will be aware about the corruption of them. You will be aware about divide and rule policy of them. You will be aware about their strategies. You will be aware about their policy. You will be aware about each and everything which have been projected by them for destroying us. You will be aware about each and everything. Believe me, if you will be educated. Education makes you perfect. Education makes you revolutionary. Education doesn't teach you that you have to take rifle in your hand and target to Pakistan army or target to something. We love Pakistan army, but we do not love their work. We do not love the work of representative of Pakistan army. We do not love work of general. We do not love journals. Yeah, Parvez Musharraf used to say to Baloch people that मैं तुमको वहां सेट करूंगा, तुमको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि मैंने कहां सेट किया है. Eventually, you the people, you the journals, didn't kept pity on 80 years old people in Balochistan. 80 years man in Balochistan. You didn't keep pity on them. Eventually, there is every action has reaction. If you will destroy us by your policies, by your strategies, inshallah, your descending will be destroyed. Inshallah, by the grace of God, you will be destroyed if you have the policies, if you have the strategies in your houses for destroying the pillars of our Pakistan. You will be destroyed. Every action is reaction. So kindly be united, youth. Be united. You are the visionaries of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. You should not be divided into sects. You should not be divided into the caste. You should not be divided into religions. You should not be divided on your cultural heritage. You should not be. If you will be divided, then Pakistan will divide. If you will be divided, then the pure peoples, our sobriquets will be divided. Do not divide yourself. You are the one which will face them. You are created by the God to face them. Face them with heart and soul. I am with you. So I will be grateful. So now here, put your hands together for another good speaker of Sifil. His name is Mr. Ahmad Ali. Have a round of applause for